So I'll be showing you how to center your paper. The center line in traditional Indian art is very important. That will be your axis line from where all your measurements, both vertical and horizontal, will be taken. So it's very important to have your center line sorted before we begin drawing. So I'm going to be using some simple tools for this. I have here a ruler, just a regular ruler with inches and centimeters on it. This is a 30 centimeter 12-inch ruler in metal, but it can be in any other material, wood or plastic. And this is also another tool that's quite important. It's an angle ruler, so we'll definitely need this. You can find these at most stationery shops. It'll come in a set with, a small ruler and a couple of these. And then I have my mechanical pencil. I use 0.5 and also, generally 0.5 is good enough. You can make quite fine lines with that. And then I have a rubber. This is a kneaded rubber eraser. Quite useful for these kind of drawings. So let's start. I have an A3 sheet of paper here we're going to use. We'll be using this also in the workshop. So what you want to start with first is you want to measure the width of your paper. So in this case it's A3, so it'll be 29.7 centimeters. So we're just going to round that off to 30. And we will place the center marker on two sides of the paper, the top and the bottom. So I'm going to start with the bottom here. Let's go with 15 centimeters as our center point. And we'll do the same at the top. You want to try to get it lined up as good as possible. So if you have a smaller ruler like this, then you're going to want to put 3 points, one in the center as well, just so that you can line up all the points easily. So then you just put your ruler up against those lines as close as possible. If you need, you can always put a couple more just to make sure you're getting a really good center line. So we're going to put 2 more points. So if you line up as many as you can, so let's say here I got 4 of them lined up. I'll use a darker pencil. So there we have that one, and then we're going to do the bottom bit, lining up the line I already made with that bottom marker. So that's our center line. And then from this, we're going to make our vertical measurements first. So we'll have a series of measurements that go down, and then we'll have lines that go across horizontally. So that's how you make your center line.